Okay guys, I'm going to show you something super duper cool that I think you're going to totally love. And this has to do with if you have a YouTube channel right now where you're in danger of having your channel demonetized. We're about 2 weeks out from that date. If you missed it, there's an announcement from YouTube a couple weeks ago that if your channel had less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 view hours, that then your channel would be at risk of demonetization. Basically, they would demonetize them all, but they're giving you a month till February 20th to actually reach those thresholds with your channel. And a lot of people are struggling. So I was like, okay, what would I do if I was struggling? One of my friends contacted me and he's like, Jennifer, I need your help. I'm posting my YouTube link to Facebook groups and it's just not working. Facebook already doesn't like links. They don't want to send people off platform. They just rolled out an announcement on January 11th, basically saying that even more so they don't want to take people off platform. So you're already battling an uphill battle posting a link. Now you're going to post a link to their competitor, YouTube? Like Facebook's like, ha ha ha, we are not going to show that to anybody. So one of the ways that people have been trying to get around this YouTube thing is they're just kind of just blasting tons of Facebook groups with their YouTube link and hoping that the 1 or 2 people they get to watch or to subscribe from each group is going to make a difference, but that's a whole ton of effort for not a lot of payoff. I think the way around the Facebook algorithm as far as posting your YouTube link is to use Messenger. So if you have a Messenger bot set up, you can then send people your YouTube link. And what's so cool is that in the algorithm, people don't see everything that they've opted into. But with Messenger, everybody sees every message they get. Because they're opting into a Messenger bot, it's going to show up. It's going to pop up as a notification right away and give them your link. And that's what you want, right? The thing that we want is for people to get that link to the YouTube channel so they can subscribe and so they can watch. This is exactly what I would do if I was in your shoes right now. So I'm going to switch over to sharing my screen and then I will do like a little recap at the end. Okay, so now we're in mini chat. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a mini chat growth tool. Okay, so there's a bunch of different tools and options you have here, but the growth tool is the thing that we're going to use so that people can comment on a specific post, whether that's a photo or a Facebook Live or whatever Facebook post you have. And it will then automatically subscribe them to your mini chat account, to your Messenger bot, and it will send them a message. So I've already set up where it's connected to my Smart Fun DIY Facebook page. And I'm going to go over here to growth tools. Now there's a couple different types of growth tools that you can use. And they have some examples here set up. So we're just going to click new growth tool and you have all of these different options. Now this is a free mini chat account. You can also do this with the paid version, but you can do this with the free one without paying at all. But once you see how cool mini chat is, you're probably going to want to go ahead and sign up for it. Okay, so I'm going to enter my widget name. I want to call it a name and that's up here at the top. So I'm just going to call it like SFD YouTube link. Now I'm going to go down here to this one that says, whoops, this is Facebook comments. That is what I want, so that when someone leaves a comment on a specific Facebook post, then it will turn them into a bot subscriber. So it's going to ask you to select a post. And because I'm going to do this on Facebook Live, I don't have a post yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that. If you check this box to track first level comments only, it will only track the first comment. So if somebody, the first comment in a thread. So if somebody comments and says, like say my keyword is Jennifer is awesome, and they comment Jennifer is awesome, and then someone replies to them, if you have this checked off, it won't track it. Sometimes it doesn't track the replies to the comments anyway. So you want to let people know, hey, you got to do the first comment. Also, you're going to want to say in your live, you're going to want to make sure that people know that if you share this into a group, that if they comment in the group or you share this to a profile, if they comment there, that it's not going to work. They have to comment on the video on your actual Facebook page. So just tell them that when you're telling them to comment, say, hey, if you're watching this in a Facebook group, make sure you click on the word video from this video and click on my page and get to my page so that you can comment there. Because if you comment in a Facebook group or on a Facebook profile, it's not going to work. So we don't have a post yet. We're going to do that at the very end. We're going to set everything else up. Then we will start the Facebook Live. Then we'll drop the link in here for the post and turn everything on. So we want it to send immediately. If you want to exclude comments with certain keywords, you want to do that. But I'm just going to have this keyword here. I'm just going to have them type crafts. All right, so then I'll go to next, and it gives you an automated message. Hi, blah, 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 can I help you with something? But we want to put a reply in there. So I already have a reply prepared that I'm going to put paste in there. Okay, so I've pasted my reply. I put, hey, so-and-so. Thank you so much for your help. Here's a super secret favor I need. YouTube is doing these things. And if you guys want this text, make sure that you join my Facebook group so that you can go over there and copy it, because I've already shared it over there. I've got the link to the YouTube channel, and then I'm asking them to subscribe to my channel, watch a few minutes of my videos. I really appreciate you helping me out. Hit reply when you're done, and I'll send you a link to a free goodie I made just for you. You can also, if you have this goodie, I don't have the goodie made. If you have the goodie already made, you can just put a link in here to that. But really, we want to have just this one call to action in this post, and then they can hit reply, and now you'll send them something else. You also want to make sure that in your post that people know that they are subscribing to your messenger bot when they are leaving this comment. You're going to click the next button. You got settings, auto response, opt-in actions. We want to make sure we send this to everybody. We want to send them a note that tells them, hey, if you ever, this is what this is. If you ever want to stop or unsubscribe, you need to type stop. And this is really, really important, especially if you're dealing with a less tech savvy audience. Like I deal with a lot of crafters. They don't necessarily understand right off the bat like how to unsubscribe from this, because not everybody's using messenger bots in the craft and DIY industry. So we know how to unsubscribe from an email for the most part, right? There's supposed to be a link, but on here there's no way to unsubscribe. So you don't want people like marking your message as spam or reporting it to Facebook. So it's just a really good idea, a good practice to make sure that, hey, when they first sign up, you're sending them this message so that they understand, like, if they ever want these messages to stop, this is what they need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, but it's not ready to turn on yet, because go back over here to settings. I have to select a post that I'm going to put it on. Okay, so I have this up on Facebook. I'm going to start a Facebook Live. So I'm just going to paste my little caption here. So I'm letting them know this is a test. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Go live. So now once it goes live, you got to talk to everybody. Hey you guys, this is Jennifer Prees here at Smart Fun DIY. I'm doing a little bit of a test. I'm recording this video for my social media website called Smart Creative Social. So I'm just doing a quick little test here. If you guys want to participate in it, I would absolutely love if you do that. If you're watching this on the replay, you can totally participate in this on the replay. So what we're doing is we're testing out this feature called a messenger bot. And you guys might have seen this in other places. So I'm testing something, and I want to show you guys how this works. I've got to go grab the link to this post super quick. So I've got that. I'm going to go select my post. I'm posting the ID in there. It's right there. I'm going to click select. Well, I confirm that it is explicit, that you guys are subscribing. I've turned it. It's active. Okay, so here's what we're going to do, you guys. If you comment in the comments the word crafts, so CRAFTS, it will send you a message on Facebook, and I'm not even doing anything, you guys. It'll automatically send it to you. Now, the last thing that we want to do is go to the inbox and see, did this thing actually work? And it did. Right here, we have the message that went to this lady. She opted in. The message that went to her, the link is right there. And then she said, yay, so cool. And she also got the opt-in message. So yeah, it totally works, you guys. Let me know if you're going to use this. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are watching this on YouTube, click over and subscribe. There's a little red button down here. And if you're watching this on my Facebook page, I would totally love it if you would share this with someone who you think it would help, because I know we all know people that have YouTube channels. Maybe they're struggling with this, or if you're in some groups with other YouTubers, like, share this with them. This is a great way to get some views, and use Facebook to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.